Fix Apple Watch notification not showing. If your Apple Watch isn't showing notification, the first step is to check your iPhone's notification settings. First of all, what you have to do is on your iPhone, go to Apple Watch app, and what you need to do is go ahead and make sure that the notifications, then tap on notification and select the app you're having trouble with. Once you do it so, you should be able to toggle the button, and now it should be able to help you out to get notification. If not, you could also open the settings app on your Apple Watch. What you want to do is simply tap on notifications, or you want to go to settings and make sure that do not disturb is turned off. And you also want to go to notification and make sure show summary when locked is turned off. And you also want to check show notification on the wrist down and ensure notification indicator is turned on. If that doesn't seem to be working out, you want to reset or repair your Apple Watch and your iPhone as well. So this should be able to help. If not, you could also update software and ensure both your iPhone and Apple Watch are running the latest software version if possible. So these are some of the ways to fix it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.